How do we use the Swedish words lika, and likadan? Come with me and have a look at these examples. Tvillingarna är lika som bär. The twins are like peas in a pod, can be both in appearance or how they act. Marcus är lik sin mamma. Marcus looks like his mom and or acts like his mom. De har likadana klänningar. They have the same type of dress. De har en likadan bil som vi har. They have the same type of car as we do. Det står lika 1-1. It's even goals 1-1. Lika lön för lika arbete. Equal pay for equal work. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more or are looking for a Swedish teacher, contact me at hello@jclearning.net. I offer small group classes, private tuition and self-paced digital courses. And have a look at my website at www.jclearning.net. I am Jenny Crowther. Have a good day.